How to define users and user types. Now that we have an understanding of what an account and an account type is in Totango, let's discuss the supplementary data sets within Totango. Keep in mind, none of these can exist without an account to associate to. So when sending data, you must include the account ID for the account that they belong to. First, we will talk about users. A user within Totango is a physical person. User does not mean that they have to be an end user of your product. There are three elevations of users: user, contact, and key contact. In order for them to be a contact or key contact, they must be a user. As mentioned, whenever you send data about a user, you must not only send their unique user ID, but also the ID of the account they belong to, which means that the same user can exist across multiple accounts. In the situation where the same user ID is across multiple accounts, the system automatically groups the user's data in relation to each of these accounts within that user's profile. Because users can exist across multiple accounts, users cannot be referenced simply by a user ID. You must have both the user ID and the account ID. What I'm presenting in my Totango right now is how automatic grouping of user data for different accounts looks like in the UI. Notice up here you will see the general information about the user: the full name, the title, email, phone number, user ID, and organization. This information is the common for that user across all of the accounts. Here you can see the user information that is specific to each account that that user belongs to. In a later section of this video, we will discuss how to bring in an end user's usage or consumption data.